Quick update on the C10 project, the Bonanza project. We've got her cleaned and painted. It's a semi-gloss black for now. Tried to get the whole engine bay area. Got it all nice and clean first. Shaved some rust down and then used 5 cans of a semi-gloss black paint to get it nice and covered. And you can see just how much of a difference that paint makes. Really cleans up the whole area. Those are nice and clean as well. And the radiator bracket. As a star among the midnight sky, all the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away, but I'll keep on flying. She said I'd fly anyway, but I'll keep on flying. For that open door, show me proof that there is something more. I just hope I am okay with the choices I make. Maybe then I'll understand. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away. All right, so got it all cleaned up here as best as I could. Removed a bunch of rust, bunch of caked up oil. Tried to smooth it out as good as I could. Area's already been washed, and I've blown as much of the debris and dirt out of here as possible, and it's ready for its base coat of paint. For that open door, show me proof that there is something more. So probably next thing I'll be doing is working on replacing these shocks here with the new equipment I bought. I'll do front and rear shocks, and then I'm going to start cleaning up the engine next. Stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Catch you next time.